to Crafting with Nikki. Today we're going to make this countdown for Halloween using a Dollar Tree dry erase board and one of my Halloween designs that are available in any of my stores. The links are down below. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to weed this, and I like to peel my vinyl from the back of my mats, and it just helps to not curl the material as much. I do want to remind you guys, if you like this video, to go ahead and hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos by me. Halloween is probably my favorite holiday. If you guys like Halloween, go ahead and leave a pumpkin emoji down below and tell me what your favorite part of Halloween is. This transfer tape that I'm using, I ordered from 651 Vinyl. I absolutely love it. There's no backer sheet to it. You just roll it off and transfer it directly onto the vinyl, and it's just so much easier to use. And I taped the corners down just because the vinyl paper was rolling just a little bit, and so I taped them down temporarily just to kind of help make it a little bit easier when applying the transfer tape. And here I'm just peeling that first layer up, and I really should have probably left that first piece of transfer paper down, just because here in a second you'll see what I did. I accidentally rubbed the exposed portion of the Halloween onto my cutting mat, and it started to come up on the cutting mat, so I had to fix that. And then after that, all I do is I just peel that off and I try to center this as best I can on the dry erase board. And that is really all there is to it. It's pretty simple and it's super easy, and it's only $1 to create if you've already got the vinyl on hand, which is what I had. And I'm just kind of pushing out some of the few little air bubbles that I did get, making sure that everything was in place. And that's it. Now it's time to start counting down the days to Halloween. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I am pretty excited to get back into the Halloween season, even though it was 113 degrees outside when I made this video. But until next time, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye.